Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. Today we're going to be making a gift card bouquet, kind of. So I wanted to show you guys the way that if you don't have the floral picks, you can color spray paint if you would like, or you can add glitter like I'm doing right now to, what do you call this, skewers. And this is what the skewers would be looking like after you add your glitter. So I simply used Mod Podge and sprinkled my glitter on these. And then this is what they are currently looking like. They stuck to the paper a little bit, but that's fine. Instead of giving someone gift cards, like just handing them a gift card, you could put it into a cute little arrangement. When they take the gift cards off, they can still have the arrangement that they can use in the home. So I quickly went to Hobby Lobby. I couldn't find an arrangement anywhere else, and I found this one. And when I got to work the following day, a colleague of mine had picks. She had bought these picks on Amazon, floral picks, and then she also bought the little envelopes to put the gift cards in. So a lot of people like to also keep their receipts when they purchase a gift card. This is what the little gift card envelopes are looking like. They are very pretty. And so I like this vase altogether, this little arrangement, because it gives me room to kind of stick the little picks inside. Now the picks are too long, so I did end up bending them, or you can, if you have a floral cutter, you can cut them off. These are some of the cards. So the cards are rolling in. I did keep my cards as I collect them from people. I kept them in a book. Trust me, no one would find it. People hate to read, so chances are they would go into a book to find it. All right, so let's get into it. I'm going to need my glue gun because I'm going to be adding a little dressing around the vase, and she can take that off whenever she wants. So currently I am just writing people's names on the envelope. One of them did get smudged because the envelope is kind of on the shimmery side. It's kind of like glossy paper. So that envelope got smudged. And of course, we can't put that in there. So I had to change that one. So these are just some of the gift cards that were in here. Our dear Lupe is leaving us. Now, Lupe spoiled us rotten when we were in the 6th grade center. She took care of us, breakfast, snacks, whatever we needed. Lupe was there. So everyone that's going to this little gathering really, you know, loved her. Not just because she spoiled us, but because she made an impact when she was in the 6th grade center. We're no longer in the 6th grade center, and so we don't get to see many people, just who is next to you or who is right in front of you. We're sending her off in style. So this is what the pics are looking like. They have a little heart, and then you can just stick your envelope in there. So let's do that. So this gold trim, gold fringe, whatever this is, we're going to glue that around the vase. It's a very neutral piece, and so just removing the gold, she can put this anywhere in the home. Whatever, you know, decorations she has, this is perfect. All right, so that's what the vase is looking like so far. Next thing we're gonna do is add the floral picks in here, and as you can see, it's too long. I think it would look better if they're sitting closer to the flowers, and so I am going to bend these picks so that they are closer to the flowers. All right, you guys, this is what it's looking like so far. I think I'm all done. I may have to add 3 more cards to this, but this is what it looks like.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.